Well, the CBI has been in the eye of the storm ever since questions have been raised about its autonomy. But days after the CBI charge-sheeted a former coal secretary who in turn pointed fingers at the Prime Minister, the CBI has found itself in a corner.
That's right. Now, after the word of caution from the Prime Minister, it was the turn of the Finance Minister to tell CBI how to do its job.
First, it was the Prime Minister sending out a tough message to its nodal investigating agency.
I do not think it would be too appropriate for a police or agency to sit in judgment over policy formulation.
Today, the Finance Minister following suit.
It is not the business of the investigating agency to lay down a rule of conduct, nor is it the business of the investigating agency to presume a rule of conduct.
Taking a leaf from the Prime Minister, Chidambaram also cautioning the CBI to tread carefully in investigations pertaining to government policies.
I would caution investigating agencies to respect the line that divides policy making and policing. An offence is committed when a prescribed rule of conduct is violated.
But at the same time, the Finance Minister also sending out a terse message to those calling the CBI a caged parrot and questioning its legality.
There are several myths about the CBI, ranging from the celebrated epithet caged bird to the abusive nomenclature Congress Bureau of Investigation. None of the descriptions is correct or even well-meaning.
With the Congress High Command entering the debate over CBI's autonomy and rights, the opposition reviewing its attack.
अब जब उसी सीबीआई ने शिकंजा उस सरकार पर कसना शुरू किया जिस सरकार ने उसका अब तक दुरुपयोग किया है, तब उनको जो है वो नियम कानून याद आ रहे हैं, तब उनको जो है वो सबूत और संदेह याद आ रहे हैं, तब उनको याद आ रहा है कि अगर बिना सबूतों के और बिना पुख्ता कानूनी कार्रवाई के किसी को अपराधी ना कहा जाए, तो अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे ये?
With accusations and counter-accusations flying thick and fast, the political fight over the country's premier investigating agency clearly far from over. Bureau Report, Times Now.